Alright, here's the Oxy-Acetylene safety video. I'm going to go over how to start up the torch, how to light the torch, then basically how to shut down the torch. That's the stuff you're going to need to know to start out. I'll have another video on how to puddle and how to weld. We're going to walk up to the booth, make sure we don't have anything flammable. I'm going to take this paper, put it away. We could have our piece of metal that we're going to puddle on right here. And go ahead and over here to the right, we're going to actually turn on the main gas. So there's two valves over here. And when we walk up to the setup, we're going to check our regulators right here. If there's already pressure in here, we're going to bleed them to start it up. So there is already pressure in here, so we're going to shut it down. We're going to bleed it down to 0. So now we don't have any pressure in between the T-handle and the valve right here. So then we'll back the T-handle out so that it's loose, 2 to 3 turns. So it's loose right here. Then we're going to go through the start. Alright. So right away when we do start up, we're gonna make sure there's no pressure. We just blend the lines. When we get in here, if we're on actual tanks, we're gonna turn Oxy-Acetylene open 3/4 of a turn and oxygen open a full turn. If we're on these student trainers right here, we're gonna turn both of them open all the way. If you're on the tank, again, very important, you turn the Oxy-Acetylene open only 3/4 of a turn, because if you turn it open all the way, then if fire starts at the tank, you want to be able to turn that off really quick. So we're going to go ahead and open it up all the way. We're going to get our initial pressures of 10. So 10 psi to 10 psi. And then after we've got our initial pressures, we're actually going to take the torch and we're going to bleed it a little bit. And then bring our actual flowing pressure up to 10 and 10. So while it's actually flowing, you want it to be at 10 and 10, and then you're bleeding the torch to make sure there isn't gas going down the wrong hose. Again, remember, acetylene is the red hose and oxygen is the green hose. Right, so now we're to the point where we're going to go ahead and light the torch. So we will always light the torch with a striker, and we're not going to use a lighter, we're not going to use a match, because you could burn your hand or you could actually make the lighter explode. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to crack the acetylene open 1/16 of a turn. So we're going to go ahead and just take the red hose, the acetylene, crack it open 1/16 of a turn. Go ahead and take our striker off to the side and light it. And then what we're looking for is a neutral flame. So we're going to go ahead and adjust this so that there's soup going, and the soup goes away. As soon as the soup goes away, we'll crack the oxygen open. We will get it to the point where the 3 flames turn into 2. So we will have an outer flame, and then the 2 inner flames will become 1 flame. And then we're ready to weld. So we can go ahead and put our gloves on and run a couple beads. Alright, now when we're done running our bead, we're going to go ahead and the acetylene gets turned on first all the time to light it, and the acetylene gets turned off first. So we're going to turn the acetylene off first, let the oxygen go on a little bit, and then turn it off. So again, we go back, we hang it up. We never take our torch and put it down on the table right here because it could heat up from the metal we just did. We always hang it up over here. And then we go back through the shut-off procedure. So in the shut-off procedure, we're going to go ahead and turn off these handles first. Then we take our torch and we bleed out our gases. And then we back the T-handles out. We're going to go ahead and bleed out the oxygen and the acetylene. And then we back our T-handles all the way out, or all two or three turns till they're loose like this. And then we're set to go. Okay, so that's your basic startup and shutdown of the Oxy-Acetylene.